So this is like brittle, babe.
Well, that makes it burn easy. Hey, walk that log, babe.
Good job, buddy. At the moment, hi guys, we're here in the wilderness. So we're spending our Labor Day weekend. So my husband is looking for wood that we can use for the fire tonight. So while there's still light out, it's a good time to look for wood so that we can burn it at night when it's going to be cold. And here is our fire pit. There. So over there is where we're gonna set up our tent. I think I'll have to start it. So let's go.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Hey guys, this is so cool. I'm here, rinse this pot into this very clean water. Look at that. And there's Rocko enjoying the water. So beautiful. Hey boy.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. And get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
Only 2 p.m. and our wood is burning out. We need more wood to last through the night. Right, Rocko? You know, someone's gonna eat those beans.
Wow, this is awful cold. Wow, this is awful cold.
It is cold.
It's very cold.
It is very cold.
It's ice.
It's ice.
Are you copying me? This is horrible. This is cold, like ice cold.
Well, that's good for cryo, right? Like therapy. Sometimes you need cold therapy.
It doesn't feel like therapy. It feels like torture.
If you're just quiet and just like meditate.
Me?
Yeah,
Quiet?
just yeah. Be quiet and then just
Me? Quiet?
breathe in, breathe out. I think
I'll be quiet.
you will become numb with the cold.
I have become,
You will be stronger than the cold.
babe, I have become comfortably numb.
Yeah, but you're not in the cold. You're out there in the sunshine.
I have become comfortably numb. That rhymes.
Babe, why don't you walk there and look what's around the bend? Can you check?
Around the bend?
Yeah, what's around the bend? Can you check?
I bet there's just more water.
Yeah, but where does it come from? Is it going up? Is it going down? Is there another turn?
There's more rocks, there's more trees, and there's more water around the bend.
Oh, there, I saw a fish. There's a fish, babe. There's a small fish.
How big is it?
It's like this.
It's a little...
Oh, there's a fish. There it was.
Where's it at?
It was going that side. I saw it here, and then it went down there.
I bet that fish was here in the sunshine going, oh.
No, I don't think so.
So much for the sunshine. Let's go eat our chili.
It's probably gone. The bear probably got it.
Well, come on. Let's see what's left.
Come here, bud. Come here, go up. Follow Dad.
Watch out. Damn it!
Rocko! Oh. Stop. Okay, babe. Stay here. Come here. Just sit down there.
I gotta go to the camp. Can you get my knife?
Yeah, I'll take care of it. It's okay, buddy. Are you ready to go back? You have to be careful. Watch where you're going. Okay? It's okay, bud. Come here. Up here. Go. You good boy.
Can you bring it? It's not.
It's heavy, ow. It's heavy, babe. Ow.
You've got to eat this with me.
Yeah. Just wait an hour. Can we?
It'll be cold.
Then we can just heat it up. Ow. Jeez.
Maybe he needs dog food.
Rocko, you want to eat? Hi guys. It's 4:48 p.m. The park doesn't allow us to do campfire. You know, burning of wood. I believe we're going to be sleeping early, and it's gonna be a long night, but come on, bud. Let's go. Rocko, come. Come here, boy. Let's see where this river goes. Rocko. Okay, I wet my shoes, but that's what you do. I wonder in the springtime if the water rises, but the water is already cold right now, so maybe in the springtime it's icy cold, fresh from the melting of the snow. I like the sound of the water flowing. It's so calming. Come here, bud. So beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful. Rocko, where are you going? Come here, boy. Stay with me. Come. Daddy has come to fetch us. Sweet man. He just had an injury. He fell from the log because Rocko go between his legs, and so he lost his balance. And here he is, walking, probably worried about us. Okay, so I better get up.
Are you done?
I guess so.
Don't let me interrupt. I'm just walking.
It's okay, buddy. Let's go this way because it's safer to.
Huh?
It's safer this way. Come on, Rocko. It's difficult to walk with wet shoes. Keep going. Keep going. My view while sleeping. It's 6:40 a.m. Good morning, guys. He is a handful. We have aching bodies. Rocko is in training as a guard dog in the camp. So what did he do it last night, babe?
He barked at all the things walking around outside our tent. He growled and he stood guard. And
By
he
the door.
stared at the door, waiting for something to come through.
He stood guard by the door, trembling, right?
Mm-hmm.
Trembling, but he was so courageous. Hey, buddy, say hi. Say hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Are you shy on the camera? Are you camera shy now? Are you camera shy? Hi, guys. Hello, guys. These two have a special bond. Just look at that stare. The original plan was just a day trip for an 8-mile hike to a lake. When on the night before we're supposed to go, David said, "I thought you said camping." I bought food for overnight stay. It was a better idea. So on the day we were supposed to leave, we just took whatever gear we can grab from the storage. At the camp, we realized we forgot a couple of things. Nevertheless, we enjoyed the beautiful scenery, activities, conversations, experience in nature and wildlife, and each other's company. Out there, we realize we don't need so much. Just each other is enough.